So I set up this feeding station just outside the hide here. I've had it up now for maybe 4 days. When I showed up here this morning, there's birds around. Not much feed has been taken, but there's definitely a chance here. And we've got 2 rainy days coming up. I really want to get those streaks of rain in the background. We've got the canopy up on the V6, so it's completely waterproof inside, and the canopy even kind of comes over my lens hood, so my gear doesn't even get that wet. So hopefully, we just need some birds to get close. I did have a sparrowhawk when I showed up as well, just flying right through here, so maybe that's keeping the birds away for a while. Finally got a visitor. An amazing one. Great spot of woodpecker on the post, on the mossy log just in front of me here. And most of it is a dark background, so the rain is really showing, and I've been going with a shutter speed of around about 100th of a second. And that's allowing me to create these streaks of rain. Kind of getting dragged on. It really creates an atmosphere in the image. That's what I set out to do with this project. Such a charismatic bird. I absolutely love this image here. Is it exactly what I wanted? And it's worked really well. I've been sitting in here for hours. I'm dry. My lenses, everything is dry. It's a nice, comfortable experience, and it allows me to go out on basically horrible days like this. It is bucketing down rain, and it's windy, and it's pretty awful outside. But in here, I'm very comfortable. So I'm using the V6. I'm using the cockless chair to sit on. On that, I got my window here on the side open, so I got one of these net mesh slits here, and then I'm just using the kind of viewing hole here to look out, because I got a couple of dead trees which I've seen the woodpecker on a few times, so it would be quite cool to get it on that as well. So if it comes there, I would quickly just do my camera here, pointing out this hole. This is quite a small and narrow lens. It's the Olympus. I'm using the Olympus Micro Four Third camera now. It's just on a loan, so I'm kind of testing it out for a couple of weeks. If you do want to see more of how this is performing in the field, you can check out my channel at Espen to see how I've been getting on with this camera. But that would fit through here. But if not, I could just open up the window right here and aim my camera down at those trees if we get the woodpecker there, or any kind of bird of prey or anything like that might be circling out here. I feel very happy with what I got here, and that was an amazing experience having that woodpecker up close and getting some images of it with that rain in the background. That is exactly kind of the image that I wanted from setting up this project. And it's taken a good few days, but I feel like I'm just kind of, every time I come out here, you learn a bit more, you see where it goes, see that where it starts to feed. And also I noticed that I had one of the feeders actually nearby where the woodpecker fed, which meant that was in some of my images, as you can see in the B-roll. So obviously now I've moved that so I can plan my next phase again and get hopefully an even better image without a bit less clutter. I've really taken my time to find a place with a nice background. And that's really paid off here, I think. Apologies for coming out with this video so late, just holidays, and this kind of project has taken me a little bit longer than I expected. I'll come back out again with a new video in January. So I hope you enjoyed this, and just know you can follow links below to purchase any of these hides, or check out some of the other videos that feature gear that Tragopan makes for wildlife photographers. So until then, I'll see you next time.